Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to clear cache any app data on Google phone. Friends, you want to clear cache any app data on your Google phones and how to clear cache today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to clear cache app data on Google phone. Friends, first we will on phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, scroll it, friends, click on your app setting. After on app setting, which app guys, first you can see all app, which app guys you want to clear cache. Example guys, calculator you want to clear cache, you want to disable, you want to force stop, so you can force stop from here. Friends, click on storage and cache, tap here. Friends, you want to clear cache, friends, you can clear cache your calculator data. You want to clear storage, so guys you can clear storage. After clearing your storage guys, when you will use guys again your calculator guys, you will have to give access, means permission, then you can use your calculator new. Friends, you can see policy here, you can find the policy here, so you can adjust. Second option guys, a shortly setting guys, if I talk about guys how to clear cache and how to clear data. So friends, you select any app. Example guys, I will select this file, and guys you can see this information icon, so guys tap here. Friends, you can see disable force stop and direct open. Friends, you want to direct open your file, you can open from here. Friends, you can see your Google File notification. Friends, you want to off your file notification, you can off from here, and you can on from here guys. Friends, you can see guys storage and cache, so guys tap here. So once you want to clear cache guys your file, so you can clear cache, and friends clear storage. So guys, before clear storage guys, you have your Google File save folder, you have save photos on videos on save folder. So guys, this photo video will delete. So guys, first of all guys, move out your save folders, means guys photos and videos, then guys you can clear cache easily your Google File data. So it's cleared storage, tap here. So after clear storage guys, now you can use your Google File again. Friends, you can see Google File, and friends your save folder will delete, and guys again you will have to make your save folder. So like that guys, we can clear cache and clear data on Google phone guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to clear cache. Friends, first you can clear cache from your phone setting, and friends second option is press any app icon. You want to clear cache, you can clear cache and clear storage from here. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video.